Today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows update. Installing error code is 0x8007012a. So it is very easy to fix. So first you need type here to search troubleshooter settings. Which is troubleshooter settings. Click on it. Now you need to click on additional troubleshooter. Now click on Windows update. Click on run the troubleshooter. Wait some few minutes. This process will be completed. After this process will be completed, so close it. And you now type here to search. Type cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now type sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now wait some few minutes. This processor will be 100. After this processor will be 100%, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. So after restart your program will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video what for you or not.